Praise letter. Dear Mr. Glass, 10 years ago, you opened an account with us, period. Since then, you have been one of our best customers, period. During the past few months, however, we have not heard from you, period. Our records show that you have not used your child's account at the Hartford department store for the past 3 months, and we are quite concerned, paragraph. Perhaps we have done something to offend you, period. We may have failed to do something that we should have done, period. Or it could be that you have not been able to come to our store for some personal reason, paragraph. If we have offended you in some way, we hope you will give us an opportunity to rectify the situation, period. If we have failed to give you the service to which you are entitled, we will take whatever steps are necessary to make you happy once again, paragraph. If you have not been able to get to the store to do your shopping, we hope we can entice you to come in with one of our beautiful new sales circulars, period. In the circular, you will find some of the best buys we have ever offered, and they are reserved for our special customers for the first 6 days of the sale, paragraph. Please come in soon, period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 6. Dear Miss Fleming, enclosed is your new national credit card, period. Please take a minute or two now to sign it and place it in your purse, period. Then, each time you go shopping, be sure to take your national credit card along with you, paragraph. the national credit card, which is accepted in stores in all 50 states, is one of the finest cards of its type available today, period. Whether you are at home here in San Francisco or in another major city, you will be recognized immediately as a person of responsibility and integrity when you present your national credit card. Paragraph. Please take a few minutes to read the credit agreement that is enclosed, period. It spells out in detail your obligation as a national credit card holder, period. Note that 1% interest is charged on the unpaid balance each month, period. When you have finished reading the agreement, please file it in a safe place so that you will be able to refer to it in the future. Paragraph. Welcome to our large family of national credit card holders, Miss Fleming, period. Yours truly,